just talking to Jan, one of our club members, one of the hardest working people I know, and she's getting ready to put some door prizes up for grabs. So be sure you can find your pink ticket. Your pink ticket is the one that'll win door prizes. I can tell you we've got some nice ones. We have like a $100 gift certificate from Bartlett Home Furnishings, which is a really nice furniture store that's really close by here, right across the street, as a matter of fact. And they carry top-of-the-line stuff. If you really like your house, you'll like shopping at Bartlett Home Furnishings. It's the only furniture store you'll ever need. Also, we have a very nice ladies' gold necklace that was donated to us from Accent Jewelers. They're in what used to call the Gas Station Tower. Now it's called the Raleigh Tower. Tony twitches that you might have this morning. If you find something for yourself, take care of those folks. They take care of us. Trophies are on display over here under the pavilion, and we have our Great Choice Award trophies displayed over here. We have the Driver's Choice Award trophy. Also the Mayor's Choice Award ticket, and I understand Mayor Parsons will be along later today to make that choice and to make the presentation. And we also have the Best of Sure Award, which is sponsored by our title sponsor, Chuck Hutton Chevrolet. I want you to come by and visit with the folks from Chuck Hutton. Charlie Field's here with his crew. Roger and Harrison, all here. They'll be happy to talk to you about everything Chevrolet and about everything Chuck Hutton. They're good folks. There's a couple of cars that I want to interview the owner a little bit later on. Right now I'm focusing on Corvettes. I think there's an inordinate number of Corvettes here today. Right now I'm looking at a 64. That's a really nice car. It's a coupe, and coupes are becoming more and more popular all the time. At one point, coupe Corvettes were not a car that folks liked a lot, and a lot of reasons were given for that. But now, because of the sleek appearance of the cars, they're becoming more and more popular. Also, I saw a 67 big block car here a moment ago, but I can't find it right now. So we'll look for it later and then try to talk to the owner. Okay, we're going to get back to some music now, and I hope you're enjoying the 60s music. Hope you're having a good day. The weather's blessed us. It's nice. And just, you know, we're going to do something every day. I found my 67 big block. I had just misplaced it. Now I've found it. I'm going to get over here and talk to the owner of this car. This is one gorgeous car. It's a 67 big block, and I have been told it's a tri-power.
Yes, sir, it is.
What's your name?
Mike Rowell.
Mike Rowell. Boy, this is a beautiful car, but it's an unusual color combination. You don't see too many of those.
No, I think there's one produced model that has this color with a big block. And it sold at Meekum back in 2 or 3 months ago for $775,000. Mine's for sale.
You want to see mine? Tell me, where did you get the car?
It was one of 11 that I bought back in 1914 or 2014, not 1914. I'm old.
I say, you're not showing your age.
And I've been restoring them